Who knew that a simple halo-halo can make me cry? Not because of brain freeze, but because of pure emotion. Char!
Okay.
So ito na nga. 2 weekends ago, I attended the Content Mastery Bootcamp by Real Talk Tarbs and House Creatives. It was 3 days of energy, learning, and creativity. Day 1, super saya. Day 2, well, we won as runner-up in the cheering competition, pero my niece lost the battle. Akala ko okay lang. Until...
Hindi masyado, pero kahapon sobra. Ito, napipisil na natin. Oo, pero nung first day...
Guys, ang lakas maka-senior citizen. Masakit. At namamaga. Pakiramdam ko, kailangan ko ng tungkod at discount card. And day 3, I couldn't attend on-site. I was literally just 4 minutes away. Pero parang Mount Everest ang distance ko sa bootcamp.
Yan po, kahapon pa po kami naglalakad.
Oh, no!
Nag-early checkout po kami para bukas. Sakto lang, ang dating namin sa lobby. Ayan o, si tita o. Yan po ang lalakadin namin. Nasa 15th floor po kami.
Dalian nyo!
And that night, we were heading back to Tagaytay. I was set to meet my coach, si Coach Theo, at the lower ground floor of the venue to get my prize. Kukunin ko na rin yung aking bootcamp ID at ang aking bootcamp certificate. Then, eto na, dumating si Coach Theo. At, syempre, as requested, dala niya yung certificate ko, yung ID ko, and yung prizes namin. Drum roll, please! May dala siyang halo-halo. It wasn't just dessert. That was an emotional comfort snack. Grabe guys, hindi ko kinaya. Napaiyak talaga ako. Ang thoughtful. Sometimes, the smallest gesture leaves the biggest impact. Thank you, Coach Theo. Thank you, House Creatives. Thank you, Coach Darbs and other coaches sa isang unforgettable, medyo injury-prone na experience. So, friend, anong kwentong halo-halo mo?
Manang mo yung halo-halo. Mahalam.